friends, coming to you today to share with you a really cute crafty snack idea if you have little ones in your life. Now I have 3 grandchildren and they're not with me here tonight, but I sure wish they were, because they could certainly be my taste testers when I got through with this. But I really wanted to get this video out to you because January is creeping on and this is so cute for January or any of the winter months. Now what this is baked snowflakes. And I pick up old magazines, crafty magazines and stuff all the time, thrifting and yard sales and wherever I find them. People give me crafty magazines. And this is from an old Family Fun magazine, 2003. That's how old this is. But it is baked snowflakes made out of flour tortillas. And I had to save it because I just thought they were so adorable and my grandkids would love to eat these snowflakes. Now the main ingredient, like I said, is flour tortillas. The only other ingredient you're going to need is some cooking spray, and I just happen to have the pump spray of Pam. And then when you get through baking them, you do sprinkle powdered sugar on it, and then I happen to have some blue colored sugar. But they also in the magazine suggested the edible glitter, and I do know they sell that at Walmart in the cake decorating department if you really wanted to make a real neat platter of them with the glitter on them and stuff like that. But we're just going to do powdered sugar and the blue sugar tonight. So I'm going to take one of these out and I'm going to put it on this paper plate and I'm going to microwave it for 10 seconds. Okay, after 10 seconds, your tortilla is very pliable and very warm, and you're going to just fold it just like you would even a piece of paper. And it's going to be kind of thick, but by heating it up, it doesn't cause it to break and tear. And so now it is just all left up to you. You can cut all kinds of little diamonds in it. This is something the kids would love to do. Okay, so now I'm going to open it up very carefully. And of course, the more you cut it, the more intricate it could be. So it's not beautiful, but now I'm going to lay it on my cookie sheet. Now I'm going to take my Pam, spritz it with the cooking spray just 2 or 3 times. The magazine just says you can brush oil on there or spritz it the top only with some cooking oil or spray. Now I'm going to bake them in an oven. You bake it for 400 degrees for 4 minutes. So now while it's nice and hot, I'm going to sprinkle powdered sugar all over it. This is where you could probably have something set up and let the kids do their own thing. Here's my blue sugar. All right, I let my snowflake cool off just for a couple minutes and I transferred it over here to this paper plate. But I want to just pick it up and show you how stiff it is. It just snaps just like a cracker. We have a Mexican restaurant in town that's part of their dessert is called sweet chips. So that's what it kind of reminds me of. And maybe brushing it with butter might give it even a little more richer taste. But it does just taste like some sweet kind of crackers. I think if I do this with the kids, I'm going to go buy the street tacos. My grocery store sells them where the unrefrigerated tortillas are. So try to find those little 4-inch tortillas and they can make several of their own snowflakes. But what a cute idea. So I just wanted to share with you what a fun January snack. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.